Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to be doing a fun DIY. I have not made one of these yet, but I have been anticipating it. We're going to make some hummingbird feeders. And we've got our aluminum wire again. And if you've watched our other video where we made the hummingbird swings, I have a red bottle here. I have a clear bottle, and we're going to make some feeders. I ordered these little attachments off of Amazon, so we're going to see how they work. And my aluminum wire came. It looks like copper wire, doesn't it? It's pretty. It came from Amazon as well. I will put the link to these in the video if you want to click on them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I just washed out my bottle here, so it's a little wet on the inside. I did try the outside. And this wire here is very flexible. It would probably kink real easy. Okay, so now I haven't thought this out, so this may be trial and error, but we're gonna work on this, okay? So I'm starting here at the neck of the bottle, and it's got like a little indentation right here. So let's see. I want to get it snug. So once I wrap it around, I want to come around up under here. Y'all bear with me here. First time making one of these, but now let's get it on up here. And I'm just winding it. Just like so. This is when you think you need 3 hands. I don't know what I think that's going to accomplish, but let's see. In my head, I had that I was going to kind of go under there. All right, let me take it on up here. I'm going to cut it about that length. Like I said, this is my first time making one of these like this, so bear with me. I'm going to learn with y'all. I'll be the guinea pig, though, and see if it works. So I went under right here. I'm just trying to pull it snug. So I'm just trying to push it tight. Okay, so maybe if I crimp it here. Let's do a little fancy work. See how that works. Right? Put like a little loop there at the top. Because it bends so easy, I'm just a little scared that it's gonna cramp real bad, but so far we're doing good. Then we can turn that up like that and put a little hook there. Hold it. Okay, so I'm going to try this way and see if we can just wrap this around just like so. Over here and see if this will work. Bring it under these two. These little needle nose pliers come in handy. And see if we can get it up under there again. And then pull it through. Get a good grip on it before I start pulling, right? There we go. Now turn it this way. That's what I was trying to accomplish. Okay. Good deal. So we're going to pull this snug. And then I'm going to wrap it around here, up under and over. And it should stay that way because that way that won't slide back around this way. Yes! So, the best way is to wrap it around at the very top. I've got it wrapped twice, double layer there of wire. And then do your handle separate. That'll work. Trial and error. So now that I've done it, then y'all know how to do it on the first attempt. Okay, I've got that where that's smooth. You see that? And I like that this bottle was red. So I'm going to put the homemade nectar in here. It's 4 cups of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, because the red dye that's in the nectar that you buy at the store is not good for the hummingbirds. So, and then make sure that's at the end. I'm pushing on the stopper part. And it's supposed to hang like that. If you've seen our other video, we made the little swing with the same little aluminum wire. We've also made the little covers. Check out that video for the hummingbird feeders that help attract hummingbirds. I saw that idea from John Ray's birds, and he did his with glass. Now, he's an expert. He knows how to paint them and make them beautiful, and they're iridescent red. They're beautiful. So go watch his videos. Check him out. His John Ray's birds. He attracts all kinds of beautiful birds, and I call him the bird whisperer. But here's my hummingbird feeder. I can put it on a hook like that, and I will show y'all a little clip of it hanging out there once I get my homemade nectar put in there. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day. And I'm not sure about this one. I was going to try to do that, but with this bottle, it has like a little lip there. So it would be okay here. I'm not sure how it would do to hang up there. We may try it in another video, and if so, I'll link it to this one. All right, thank y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell and select all so you get all the notifications when I go live or when I upload a new video. And if you don't mind sharing the video, you can mash share it as a post. It'll ask you share as post. You click that and it'll share it out for me right here on YouTube. So thank y'all, and y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, just an update on our hanging bottle hummingbird feeders. On these, when I first put them on, they were spraying out. What I would recommend is like pulling them so they're facing up a little bit, because this little stopper feeder will come off. So tilt it up so that all your nectar doesn't come out. Same way on this one. I just tilted them up to keep them from spraying out. So just a little tip there if y'all decide to get these. I like them, but I wish they were better at dripping out. This one I'm going to have to tip up a little bit taller, or slightly. See how it's, you can kind of tilt them. Do them just like that so that all your nectar don't fall out or drain out. There we go. Maybe that one's fixed now. But there's my hanging nectar feeders, hummingbird feeders. I hope y'all enjoyed. Okay, y'all, day 2. We still have our nectar in here. It's kind of hard to see. There it is. So it's still full up to there, which I didn't fill them up full. That's about how much I had in it yesterday. So the trick is to turn those little stoppers, the little feeding tubes or feeding little spouts there, just turn them up, and then I turned up the little flower there. Awesome.